Hi friends, this is GK Naidu. Today we are going to discuss about the business rules. So what is business rule? So business rule is a server-side script logic. Business rule is a server-side script logic which is used to perform the CRUD operations. CRUD operations instead of SQL queries. So what is CRUD? CRUD means create, read, update and delete operations. So these are okay, this is related to, already we have discussed about the glide record methods. What are the glide record methods are there? Those are mostly those methods. Okay, glide record API, glide record methods generally used in our business rules. Okay, so that is the business rule. So it is a server side script logic which is used to perform CRUD operations. Okay, and come to that, types of business rules. So there are business rules are also again having the four types. So these are the before business rule, after business rule, async business rule and display business rule. So before business rule, so what is the before business rule? So this will execute their logic before the database operation will occur. So simply to say that this executes their logic.
ఎక్స్‌క్యూజ్ మీ సార్.
Tell me.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నారా మీరు?
Okay, I didn't share. Sorry to say that.
So class got record చేయండి sir.
Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
నో
Okay.
సార్.
Friends, are you able to see my screen? Actually, I have shared my screen.
నో సార్.
Yes, let me share again. Screen. Now,
ఇట్స్ ఫైన్ సార్.
okay. Now have a look. So that is the business rule, means it is a server side script logic which is used to perform CRUD operations. So CRUD means create, read, update and delete operations. So types of business rules. There are four types of business rules are there. Those are the before business rule, after business rule, async business rule and display business rule. Just you have to write these two things. Okay, so that is the definition and our types. Just you have to write it later. So come to the first one, that is the before business rule. So simply to say that this will execute their logic before the database operation will occur. So before the database operation will occur. So those type of things generally do that in our before business rule. So let me see the one use case. So that is the restrict the duplicate record when caller ID and short description are same. Restrict the duplicate record when caller ID and the short description are same. So let me do the such type. Okay, let me do the that function. So that is the restricting of the duplicate record. So that is the what we do in our, okay, so how we are doing the such type of functions and such type of things in our service mode. So first go to the our navigation menu and enter the business rule and choose that. So business rule, system definition business rules are there. Just click on that. In this, so in my instance nearly have the 5000 business rules in my instance. So So now come to that, just go to the new button. So our use case is restrict the duplicate records. Restrict the duplicate records when the caller name and the short description are same. So then how we do that? Okay, so just have a look here guys. So when we are opening the new record of the business rule, so then it will okay, ask you this. So and here there is some information regarding the business rule. So that is, the business rule is a server side script that runs when a record is displayed, inserted, deleted, okay, and table is queried. And the business rules are to automatically change the values in form fields when the specified conditions are met. Okay, so when the specified conditions are met. So this is also okay, simply to say that regarding the business rule. Okay, so now the name of the business rule, so that is the restrict the restrict the records. So in which table restricting the records? So that is the incident. Just incident, just click that. And application is the, so incident table is belongs to global, okay, and active. And now, so just have a look here in our sections point of view. So there are two sections are available, that is the when to run and action. So but when you are click on the, okay, when you are enable the this checkbox, advanced checkbox, then so three sections are available. Okay, three sections. So and the thing is, so when you are enable the this box, then only able to select it this one. So that is the, so this one is there. Okay, advanced is also a section is there. Now, so when to run. So this is when to run means come to that particular section. So there are some fields are there. Those are the when. So that is the which type of business rule it is. Okay, when we are applying. Okay, so that is the before business rule. So just choose that before, and order number. Okay, so order number is there. And okay, so is it related to insertion or updation or delete or query? Okay, so this business rule is executed when, so that is the when we inserted the new record, so then it restricting that. So that is the only insert section. Okay, so sometimes we are also updating that, so that time we are also simply to checkbox and simply to enable the this checkbox. So just insert. And now filter condition. So before going to, okay, assign the particular insert the particular filter condition, so let me do that. So that is the, just have a look. So what is the condition is there? So in our use case, what is the conditions are there? Just have a look guys. Just read it the this particular use case, and in this use case, which is the our condition? Just tell me which is the our condition. Just tell me guys.
When caller
Yeah.
ID and short description are same.
Yes. So caller ID. So just take it that, okay. Caller ID. That means the caller is same as caller. So caller ID is same as caller, and short description. So just short description is same as short description. So these are the conditions are there. So when these both the conditions are met, then we shouldn't create the new record. So that means actions are there and advanced is there. So advanced means directly we have to give the some scripting for restricting the record. So just have a look here in our scripting point of view. So that is the both the methods are helpful for that. gs.add error message. So that is the one method is related to okay, just have a look guys. So that is the action. So already conditions have given in this place. So relatedly what we do the okay what type of actions let we do by the particular condition at the particular condition. So that is the abort action. So that is the abort action and message is also there. So which message, okay, what is the message will occur while getting the same type. So that is the this message is there, that is the some message. So that message is this caller has created the same issue record. So that is the message will appear. Okay, so that is there. And abort action means so when both the conditions are met then simply to terminate the new record. Okay, so that is there. And now just submit this one before business rule. Okay, when to run and action, what is the action. So now go to check that. Okay, now let me check the is it working or not. So we are checking that business rule. So that is the yes, come to the incident all, just let me see the incident all. Why? Because so same issue. Okay, so that is the our SAP sales issue. Just copy that. And Christian Mitchell. Okay, Christian Mitchell. Okay, so Christian Mitchell is there. So now go to create the new one. So that is the Christian. Okay, Christian Mitchell. Okay, and issue is the SAP sales issue, and this one is the something. Okay, software something. So just have a look, guys. Subcategory. Okay. So just have a look here, guys. So that is the invalid insert. Invalid insert. And message will also appear here. So that message is this caller has created the same issue record. So that is there. So that's why they shouldn't create the same. Okay, they shouldn't create the new record. They shouldn't create the new record. So that is the such type of functions will let we do by the our before business rule. Okay, did you understand? So that means same issue. So the what is the issue is there. So the caller, affected caller is trying to create the new record again. Why? Because maybe depending on the intensity of the problem. Okay, or to get the okay resolution within the okay less time. So the same caller is also again raised the another ticket. So when they are trying to raise the another ticket, okay, related to the same issue, then the ticket is not created. So that's why because they are restricted. So the same caller is also raised the same issue. So then stop the record. Why? Because that is duplicating. So already he has created the one ticket. So the ticket is already going to some in progress or whatever it may be. So if it is going to be in progress, then he is again created the, okay, created such type of actions. Okay, let me terminate by the help of, okay, this business rule, that is the before business rule. Okay, did you understand, guys? Now come to that before business, okay, that business rule point of view. So when to run this one, and actions. So what are the actions are there? That is the about action is there, and message is also there. So, and this is also same thing will also do the another way, that means the our direct scripting point of view. So this is the our out of box functionalities, let they do the such type of things. That is the, you shouldn't use the any script, okay, while we are creating the particular business rule. But sometimes you have to create the such type of things by only scripting. So how we do that? So that is the, just clear this one, okay, clear this one, just clear this one. Okay, only before and the only the order number, and you should also eliminate the this filter conditions also here, and actions you should also remove the those actions also. And now go to directly advanced. So while we are going to choose the advanced section, then it will give you the template, okay, some script, okay, template script. So that is the function execute rule. Okay, function execute rule is there, and there are current and previous parameters are there, objects are there. Just have a look here. So how we okay, give the our scripting. So that is the, just have a look here, guys. The same thing will also happen by the scripting also. So that is the where inc equals to new glide record, new glide record, and incident inc dot add query, inc dot add query in our query. So just write that caller id, caller id. So caller id comma same as, same as caller id, caller id same as caller id. So when the caller id is same as caller id, and inc dot add query short description, short underscore description, same as short description. So and query, just write the query.
Sir, add query is used for input purposes.
No, add query is mainly helpful for to condition, let they check the their condition. So that is the
Whether it is true
ah
or false. Okay.
false.
Okay.
So and
Fine.
so that is the condition base. So not only saying like that condition, okay, so that means caller id is there, just let they check it, the caller id is similar to the new one. Okay, if that is the condition is there, so caller id and similar to the again same caller id. So new record, while we are creating the new record, is he created the same caller id, and short description is also similar to the same. So when both conditions are met, then what we do, so that is the action will write in our particular loop. Okay, so inc dot write, and now uh, okay, is the same, not same as, is the same, is the same, is the same short description. Next, if condition, if logic, so that is there, that is the inc dot next. So what we do, so inc dot next, that is the inc dot set about action, about action, set about action true. So that means when both the conditions are met, so then the inc dot set about action true. So you shouldn't create the new record. And gs dot, so that is the gs dot add error message, so that is the add error message is there. So that is the caller created the issue earlier. So that is there. Okay, yes. So just format the code. So that is the what we have given in earlier case. Okay, so the same thing will be also representing in our scripting also. So that is the, just we should also call it the our incident table. In our incident table, let me check. So that is the our conditions are caller id is same as caller id and short description is same as short description. So when both the conditions are met, then what we do, so in our inc dot set about action, so we shouldn't create the new record. So and apply the new. Okay, this is the some error message. So that is the caller created the issue earlier, so that is the error message is there. Just you have to update it here, just update it here. Now go to this one, this place. So that is the, go to the new one. So that is the, our caller is Christian Michael, for example, and let me show the, and let me Christian Michael. Okay, and category is the database inquiry, for example, SAP sales issue. Okay, so priority is 5. Okay, so it takes to some time. Yes, not inc, so current. So go to the system definition and restrict the records. Now come to that. So inc is replacing with current. Okay, current dot set about action and update. Okay, so just come to this place. So that is the Christian Michael and inquiry SAP sales issue. It takes to time. So just let me check. గో బేబీ, వెళ్ళి వెళ్ళి వస్తున్నా కదా, అయిపోతుంది క్లాస్, త్వరగా త్వరగా నువ్వు వెళ్ళి. వద్దిల్లమ్మా, తర్వాత వస్తాను కదా, నేను వస్తా కదా, నేను వస్తా హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ తర్వాత వస్తా కదా. అమ్మది ఫోన్ తీసుకుని అంతలోకి ఎట్టుకో. Okay, just observe that. So here, while we are creating the our particular scripting, okay, so in our before business rule, so that is the current dot set about action and caller id. Okay, short description both are there. Caller created the issue here. When to run, so that is there. So here just have a look here, guys. So while we are applying the scripting, so that is the place is there. So whatever the final actions, just put it in our that if condition, so that is not taking the particular actions. So those are the about action and our, so that particular display, so that is the message, alert message, both are not applied while we are taking that. So and check it whether another issue, so that is the David Miller is there. Email, okay, see. Sometimes while we are doing the scripting, okay, so it may also applied or not, let me check after the completion of the this checking, okay, testing. So that is the David Miller, so that is there. And category and short description is this one. Email server is down, okay. And this one, okay. So the ticket has created. So ticket has created while we are taking the particular this one. So let me check the this one. So that is the our, so is the same caller id, okay, short description and okay, yes, gs dot has role also applied here, okay, condition is also applied. So just let me check. Condition before business rule, okay, actions and this one. So here condition, just let me give that who will do the particular action. So that is the gs dot has role. Sometimes let they give you that, so this action is not okay, this action is not happen to the all the users. This is only able to do the admin role people. and current dot set about action, and inc dot next is there. Sorry, inc dot next not. So that method is different. Inc dot is new record, is new record. So new record. So that method. Yes, inc dot is new record method and caller. Okay. So now save that. So in our logic, we have to apply the inc dot next, but just you have to mention in our logic that is the inc dot is new record. So new record method is new record method. Inc dot is new record. Let me see that. Create new. So David Miller. So category inquiry and short description is the this one. Okay, email server is down. Okay. Again created the new one. Okay. So something is there, something is missing. So that is the is new record. Inc dot is new record, is new record. Okay, just update it here. Just come to that favorites, going to create the new one. So in our scripting level, while we are applying the scripting, so is it have the any errors? So that is the syntax type errors, or is there any logic method related errors? So then whatever the actions let we expect, those are not happen. Okay. So let me check your scripting one or two times, so then only able to happen the okay exact results. So that is the David Miller. Okay. So inquiry. Okay. And short description. So just do that. This one priority. Some rules are there, no? Yes. Just have a look, guys. So this is the error is there. So while we are creating the particular one, so through scripting, that is the it is a invalid insert, and the error message is caller created the issue earlier. So both are happen. So this is the right script. Okay, whatever the script we are using, so that is the right script for do the particular actions. So just open that and open the particular business rule. Okay, now you have to write the this scripting in your notes. Okay, why? Because while we are uh, okay restricting the new records, when the caller id and short description are same, and sometimes let they also mention the another query condition also. So that is the category also. If the category, okay, short description and caller id are same, so then terminate the particular new record. Okay, just you have to write this one. Okay guys, just you have to write it. Just copy this matter. This will execute. Okay, this will execute before the database operation occur. Okay, before the database. Just copy this one. So whatever the actions are there, those all are doing by the generally out of box functionals. That means without scripting also do the such type of functions. But the thing is such type of actions. But the thing is mostly the developers are used to the scripting. So while we are taking the scripting point of view, so just we should get the particular actions. Yes, it's a 5 to 6 lines program only. Okay, now going to second one. Are we completed? Are you completed, friends? Now next method is there, so that is the after business. So that is the before and now after. So and there is some use cases are also there. Just you have to make a practice that use cases also. And next one, after business rule. So the after business rule means it will execute after the user submits the form and after any action happen in the record by database. So it will execute after the user submits the form and after any action happen in the record by the database. After. So before and after. So before submit the um, before before the database to connect that, so the action will happen. And after submit the after submits the form, after any action happen in the record in the database, this will execute. So just come to that and you will understand this one line. This one line definition. It will execute after the user submits the form and after any action happen in the record by the database. So just we'll make a practice. So just come to this and take the our one use case. So that is the when the assignment group changes, then the work notes will be updated. So that is the our use case. Control C. Okay, that is the our use case. So how we do that, just have a look here, guys. So that is the updated this one. Now new business rule. So that is the our, so name is the work notes updation. And which table? So this is also incident. And now just let me take the our advanced button. So when we enable the this advanced checkbox, then only appear the this type of the our when to run this one. So that is the our after now. So after and business rule is the 130. For example, order number is 130 and action is there. Okay, filter condition is there. So are we going to do the this one? So that is the assignment group changes. Okay, so that is there. So that is the update point of view. That means updated the particular records. That means already existing records are there. In just while we are opening the one existing record, and in that record you have to change the their assignment group. Okay, you have to change the their assignment group. So that is the, for example, software is there, software assignment group is there. So after opening the particular existing record, then software has been changed to, for example, software has been changed to hardware or network, whatever it may be. So then the work nodes will be okay. So then the work nodes, it may also have the one updation, that is the particular assignment group has been reassigned to network. Okay. And let they show the one message also. So then how we do that? So particular actions, so that is the, just we have to take the particular filter condition, that is the assignment group. Okay, assignment group changes, just assignment group changes, then do the some actions. So what are the actions? So that is the current dot, so that is the current dot assignment group. So just have a look here, current dot work nodes, current dot work nodes, work nodes, current dot work nodes equals to, so the ticket has reassigned to, the ticket has reassigned, reassigned to, assigned to, plus which group? That is the current dot assignment group, current, sorry, current dot assignment underscore group dot get display value, display value, get display value method, and current dot update, current dot update. And again some error message also there, some message. So that is the, which message is there? gs dot add info message. So that is the same one, gs dot add error message, for example add error message, and this is the same one, control c, add error message, yes, gs dot add error message, the ticket has been reassigned to current dot assignment group, assignment group dot get display value. Okay, so this is not required here. Yes, now just have a look guys here. So that is the, so so condition. Okay, when to run this particular uh, okay, when to run this one? So that is the after business rule. Just let me choose the after business rule in this. And when the assignment group has been changed, so that is the, our existing record has been changed, so then let we get the one action. So that action is the, okay, our work nodes, okay, will automatically updated. So the work nodes will be automatically updated. That updation is the, this string. So that is the, the ticket has reassigned to, okay, a particular group, okay, assignment group, and just give the some update and add error message also there. Just we have to give the this updation and submit it here, just submit it here. Now before going to check the, okay, particular condition, so priority alerts are there. So that is the false, and priority changes, that is also false. So that is there. So now going to check that particular condition, incident all. So in our incident all, just have a look here guys. So that is the 9. Okay, so this record, this is the existing record is there, email server is down. Okay, just open this record, open this record. After just have this record, just have a look guys. So the assignment group open space is there here. Now I will change this one. So that is the software. Okay, software. And now going to save this particular form. Save or update, whatever it may be. So let we get the one error message. So that is the ticket has reassigned to software. Okay, you should get the one error message, but assignment group has been changed, and the same update will also, okay, will also been in our work notes will also. So the same update will also be in our work notes. Yes, so that updation is also there. The ticket has reassigned to software. Okay, so that means you shouldn't specifically write this particular updation. So that is the work notes, you haven't write anything in our work notes, but that work notes updation already given, okay, already mentioned in our script. So that is that work notes field. Okay, so that is also taken to the particular, okay, message. That is also just representing this one. So that is the ticket has reassigned to software field. Okay, so work notes field will be updated, and we should get the one error message. Okay, while we are updating of our record, or okay, or submitting or saving of our record. So that is also happen in our business rule after business rule. Okay, do you have any queries in this particular one? So that is it will execute after the user submits the form, and after any action happen in the record by the database. So that is there. Okay, and some use cases are also there, and some exercises already given. So this is the use cases are there, just you have to make a practice. Okay, updation, work notes updation, so that is there.